So today we're gonna make pollo asado, and I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken legs here. I made some slits because, as you can see, they're really big, and I want them to cook evenly, faster, and the seasoning will get all up in here, and it will be so delicious. Lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and squirt it all everywhere. We're gonna put some lemon juice in here. All of them are gonna have some lemon juice. And what the lemon juice does is, in my opinion, cuts out the gaminess flavor of the chicken. We're gonna be using our seasoning, the Pollo Asado from Lares. It's really good. It gives it that like Pollo Loco taste. And we're also going to be using some garlic salt. Also by Lares. We're going to go lighter on the garlic salt than we did with the pollo asado seasoning. And as always, some black pepper. Alrighty guys, so this is what your finished chicken looks like. I love mine crispy and soft and juicy from the inside. Once all the liquid is absorbed and it starts to fry up with its own fat, no fat added at all. Go ahead and let it crisp up to your liking. Seasoning is perfect and the taste is amazing.